Owen, are you going to talk to us? What's it like being 3 months old? Tell us all about it. Can you tell us? Yes. Are you ready for Santa to come see you? Do you think you're going to like Santa? What do you think he's going to bring you? Olivia said Santa's going to bring you a toy. What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that? You like that idea? You want a toy? Yes? You're getting so big. Be 15 weeks on Monday. He's a big boy. Yes, he is. Yeah. Uh-huh. Tell me more. Uh-huh. Is that right? Really? You're kidding. Oh, bless you. Yeah. Boo. Hey. All right, say bye-bye.